Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Swyftx platform. If you don't have a Swyftx account, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Once your account is set up, log in to Swyftx and your dashboard should look similar to what you see on the screen. Now you need to verify your account. Click on the profile symbol in the top right corner. Verify your email address, your phone number, and you can also or you have to upload a government ID for identification. This process is straightforward and should take less than 5 minutes. On the left sidebar, hover over it to reveal options. Then click on Deposit. Choose Australian dollars as your deposit currency and select your preferred deposit method like bank transfer, Pay ID, or Poly. These methods are usually fee-free. Now you have to buy cryptocurrency. After depositing, refresh your account to see the updated balance. Go to the Asset List tab and find the cryptocurrency you want to buy, like Ethereum or Bitcoin, and then click Buy. Specify the amount of Australian dollar you want to use to buy the cryptocurrency, and click on Preview to check details. Then click Place Order to complete the purchase. If you want to withdraw cryptocurrency, click on Wallets to see your cryptocurrency holdings. Click on the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, and then click Sell. Enter the amount you want to sell, either in Australian dollar or cryptocurrency units, and confirm the sale by clicking on Place Order. Once you have sold cryptocurrency, go to the Withdraw section. Select Australian dollar as the currency to withdraw. Add your bank account details and ensure the bank account is under your name. Then, all you have to do is enter the amount you wish to withdraw and then confirm the withdrawal. You will receive, of course, an email of confirmation of your withdrawal. The funds should appear in your bank account shortly. And that's it, guys. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, please let them down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.